I'm gonna see if I can get up this angle just right here. Real fast, bub. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on. Yes! Yes! I feel like I accomplished my life's mission right there. And I got to document it too. Oh! Yes. Oh no! Oh, I fell at the end. At the very end. But, all right. You want to have a go? Yeah, see? You can enjoy it. And you can watch too. Just wait. You gotta be patient. What if I'm trying to figure out the line here, bud? Okay, you're right. You're taking too long. You got no patience. That's what happened. You got no patience. I'm kidding, you got patience for days, son. Patience for days. Ah! Okay, let me get Dami set up. Yeah, he's found the remote control car. So we're gonna get him set up. But I wanted to test out, hold on, let me get it set up for you. Bud. I wanted to test out this black powder revolver that I got, like, I can't even remember how long ago from Midway. But I want to test it out. I've never shot black powder. Here you go, bud. Okay, I never shot black powder before. And I'm curious about it. So I brought it out. I'm gonna test it out. You know, I'm gonna do one bullet at a time. I know people on the internet. Here, let me see if I can get this close up. I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't have the screen on. I need to get better at doing this recording stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna just do one. I'm gonna load up one and see how that goes. So here we go. Bear with me, first time ever. First time ever. I'm a noobster. I'm a noob, but I'm gonna be safe. All right, bud, so here we got our, yes, hold on, but, oh, you wanna bring it over? Go ahead and bring it back over, bud. Okay, we're gonna get our powder. We got one bullet. No, it's not a bullet, it's a ball. One ball. I just like to do, you know, like if I'm gonna try something, I wanna do it one time and see how it is. You know, I could load them all, but I'd rather just do one, you know? Just do one, see how it goes. Here is my powder. There you go. And I got it in my little container right there. Bam. Okay. Now let's cover this up. I'm gonna starting with 10 grains. Just you know, we're gonna see what happens here. All right, bud, let me load this up here. Okay. There it is. Okay, now let's put the ball in there. Hold on, Bob. Just 1 second. Okay. Just jam that baby down. Hold on. I'm weak. Here, bud, let me get your ear protection on. I love his ear protection, by the way. Yeah. Okay, hold on. So let's put these on. I'm gonna try this out one shot, okay? Now watch me. I want you to watch me and stand behind me, okay? I know you know, but I gotta tell you for the camera. Okay. Okay, you stay right here. You stand behind. Oh, where's your car? Over there? Okay, so you stay right here. I'm gonna try this. Might be loud, okay? You stay right here, bud. Right by, oh, Tom, stay right behind me. Perfect, bud, perfect. You stay behind me. Okay, let's see here. I know this isn't how you do things, internet. Okay, here we go, bud. First time ever. First time ever. Okay, hold on. No. Stay right there. Thank you. Oh no! Oh no! I'm such a noob! Oh, you know what? That's good to know, though. Let's put, hold on, bud. Let me just put a new, oh, you know what? It's right there. I'm such a noob, bro. Let me lower the hammer. No. Stand behind me, please. Okay. Okay, this time we're gonna put this on here. We're gonna get this on here good there, buddy. Okay, now those are a little loose, so those are loose. Okay, I know this isn't how you do it, but I'm gonna try this one time. Okay, ready, bud? Fire in the hole, bud. Let's see where we're at. So we got the next one, bam, right there. We got our lube. One. Here we go. First time ever. Break yourself, woo! Woo! All right. That was interesting. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? All right, so that did not work. That was like 10 grains, I think. You know, I think we moved the ball. I might have to pound the ball. 10 grains is not enough, bud. 10 grains is not enough. Sometimes you gotta learn the hard way. That's what I tell people. You gotta learn the hard way. All right, let's RC it up. That was a bust. That was a bust. But, you know what? It's all good. That's how you learn. That's how you learn, Dami. Someone probably could have said, I could have done my research and been like, yo, 10 grains ain't enough. But that's how I live my life, you know. I don't listen. That's my problem. I don't listen. All right, here we go. I just like messing around. Okay, you got to be able to laugh at yourself. That's what I say. You got to be able to laugh at yourself. Now let's set the camera up, bud. Almost. Ah, almost. You know, when I was a kid, I believe Georgia girls spoke real slow because of LFO. You know, but now we have the power of the internet. And I know that isn't true. Shout out to LFO though. You guys are awesome. I think you're cheating, bud. You gotta drive the car up. You gotta drive the car up, sir. And the ear protection is because we tested our black powder revolver with not so good luck. You know, I used too little of powder for what I needed, I think, and now I think I got the ball stuck in the barrel. That is a true squib, by the way, when you get the bullet stuck in the barrel. Woo! All right, we don't want to go too far from our home base there, but look at this rock here. Here, why don't you set him on here, bud? Set him right here. Oh, this is sharp though. No, let's drive him through here. Oh, okay, there you go. Yeah, no, go ahead. I think you like the jungle experience. Let's try going up. All right, there. Now go. Full send, bud. Full send. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Thank you, bud. Thank you for grabbing the water. Oh, careful. Got to go around the bush, bud. Got to look ahead. There you go. Yeah. Let's go, bud. Oh, we go home and the party doesn't stop, baby. We get home and the party continues. I know. Here we go. Okay, I love you, cutie. Thank you. All right, Papa. I had fun too. Oops. I gotta get that stuck in there. There we go. Stucky! Okay, bud. Here we go.